Hi, I'm Jay with Classic Kitchens, etc. And have you ever thought about a vertical spa system? If you have, let me show you. And if you don't know what it is, let me show you. So, you have a single valve here in the middle. You do have to run a 3/4 inch supply line to this valve to make everything work correctly. But once you have this set up correct, this valve will be able to feed multiple fixtures at one time. You can see we have these 3 volume control valves here, and one volume control valve is set up to control these 3 body sprays. We have another one set up to control the hand shower, and then another one going to the regular shower head. So what's cool about this system is it has enough pressure and water volume that you could have all of these 3 on at the same time, meaning you could have these body sprays on, you could have the hand shower and the regular shower head on at the same time, and they would all be full pressure. You could actually have more than that on this valve system as well. You could have up to 4 body sprays and still have a hand shower and a ceiling mounted shower head and another fixture, and it would still supply just fine. You could have just the body sprays on and the hand shower, or you could have the body sprays and the shower head. You get my drift. You could have a bunch of different combinations of spray functions at one time. Having everything run through a single valve system, so normally a valve system cannot generate enough volume to run multiple options. But with this system here, this is by Moen. This is their exact temp system by Moen. This has enough water volume to supply all the fixtures at one time. So having a single valve system here keeps the temperature the same. So no matter if you turn on the body sprays and then you turn on the hand shower and then you turn on the ceiling mounted shower head or the regular shower head in this case, all the temperature is going to be the exact same temperature. So, you might want to just turn your rain shower head on, and so then you have full pressure. If you want to, you can also turn on your hand shower, and now you have full pressure on both of them. And then you never have to mess with the valve. This stays on whatever temperature you have it at. It actually has a little thing here too that says 41 degrees Celsius, 105 degrees Fahrenheit. Of course, that depends on where you put it here. And then you just leave it there, and then you just turn on each one of these things to take your shower. It's already gonna be at the temperature that you like. Let me show you the body sprays here. So you just turn these on. Again, the valve is always on, so it gives you full pressure right when you turn it on. So again, you can go to your rain shower head, and then if you want your body sprays on, turn your body sprays on. These are also adjustable, but you can point them any direction you want, and then you just turn them on. And there you go. That is our vertical spa system. And the last reason why it's the best shower system is because when it's all said and done, it'll make your friends jealous. And isn't that at the end of the day what we all want? Thanks for watching. See you next time. You can have different, and so if you're a woman and you don't want to wash your hair today, or if you're a guy, you don't want to wash your hair today. Most of the time guys wash their hair every day, but another cool thing with this valve is, I already talked about that. You could have max, I said you could have max volume on at the same time. Okay. That's not what I was talking about. What you're trying to say. Oh, that's one reason. That's one reason. Let me see, what else was I going to say? Oh, I was going to say 5 reasons. Yeah. The spa shower, right? Shower spa. So you can push them, we have them set up like this, obviously because we're shooting video here, but did I just totally get my boots all wet? No, not much.